So make sure you are clicking on the current year tax return option with the home icon at the top left of the screen, then hit tax profile button below it, and click on additional information about your spouse option. Over here, you may change the information about your spouse names, date of birth, and also social insurance number, and tap on the continue button after that. On this page, you may edit their income, residence, and other tax info related. And after you are done, you may tap the continue button at the bottom of the page. Keep in mind that you need to add your spouse first, and to do that, you wanna go to your personal info right here and change your marital status by clicking on edit button just besides it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.